Oh my god, guys, I'm in a server with Froggyhopz. Oh my god, guys, I can't believe this. I'm in a server with Froggyhopz, and I really can't believe this. I took so many screenshots. Look, see, can you see his username? It's right there. Oh my god, I'm dying. Uh-huh. Yeah, I've already been, like, kissing him. I know that sounds wrong, guys, but, like... OMG. My house is next to Froggy's. Me too. Visitors 56. Oh my god. Remember Mr. Froggy, an asshole, internet asshole. Wow. 200. Oh, bye. Me too. What if we met all the other famous YouTubers that were friends with him? Because he can't play blocks. Why? Oh. Someone's using grammar in this situation. I know. What? No! He made Bloxburg Stan. And you've been pretending that you like him all this time? Wow. I lost connection. Fudge. I lost connection, guys. Great. Let's reload the page just in case. Yeah, he's not in the game anymore, so I can't show you. Beep me. Great. Now I can't meet Froggyhopz again. Maybe. So I'm gonna keep on being on his page and reloading it just in case. Because like there's 12 people max on Bloxburg, so. Mhm. And obviously, everyone in Bloxburg would know who he is because he's like literally he's in a game. He is in Plaza Beta. I'm joining. I don't know how I'm being calm, but I am. I'm in. showing me this? This is a stupid thing. I don't want this. Why are you showing me a video? Hey, I want to play it. Are you an idiot? I want a screenie. I want a screenie with him. I want a screenie. Where did he go? Where is he? I want a screenie. I don't care about stuff. I only care about Froggy. I'm like Froggy's biggest fan, and I can't even see him. Where is he? Where is he? He said something about condo, so I guess he's in a condo. I have to wait. Hey, someone just pushed me. Let me in the elevator with you, girl. No, let me go. It's lagging. Give me a condo. I'm trying to find someone. Froggyhopz 602. Froggyhopz. Froggyhopz is in 602. No! Let me know. He's in 602. Froggyhopz is in 602. I repeat, Froggyhopz is in 602. Sorry, guys. Froggy is in 602. I repeat, Froggy is in 602. Sorry. 604. 603. There it is! He's there, he's there. Froggyhopz! Let me in. Ah! I didn't get Screeny! Yes! I got Screeny! I got Screeny! I got Screeny! I'm checking. I can't believe that I just met him. Holy S word. I met Froggyhopz. Is this him? No. What if I was the only one in this server and he was like talking to me like, hey, wanna be friends? I'll send you my Discord stuff, and then we became best friends and then I met him and then he donated me 15 billion gazillion monies in Bloxburg, and he also asked Corruptus if I can help with the game, and Corruptus said yes, like help with Bloxburg, like help build it. This is copied from Bloxburg. This shelf is in Bloxburg. I bet he gets some ideas, at least some, from here to put in Bloxburg. But I don't care. Anything is good. Froggyhopz is up on the top balcony. Move, move people. No. Froggyhopz! He's right there. I'm standing on him. I'm standing on Froggyhopz. I know, but like... Yeah, me too. Yeah, let's just play Bloxburg. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. I can't believe I met Froggyhopz. I love him so much. Go follow him on YouTube, subscribe to him, and follow him on Roblox. And yeah, make sure you join his game for the next meetup. And once this video is uploaded, and if he's still in the game, go join him quick. Okay, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.